Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and select your Amazfit Band 7 from the list of devices. And then scroll down, find the Unpair button, tap on it, tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again. Watch will disappear from the list of devices, and it also will reset to the factory default settings. You can close the app, and at this point the smartband is unpaired from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.